Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. My name is Rhonda Robson. Okay, so this number 13 within the Bloom series, however, I'm not considering an experiment because I took what I learned in the last 12 and I implemented in this little 8x8, but it is a gallery wrapped canvas. All right, well, let me get you down and let me show you how I did this one. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoy this and I hope you consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. I really like it. Well, let's get you down the canvas. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, so I've been doing all this experimenting today. And so now I want to do it on a bigger canvas or a thicker canvas, a gallery wrapped canvas. So I'm in love with these colors and how they are coming out when it comes to looking like an ocean sunset, sunrise. So we're just going to continue with this theme, and I'm putting on my pillow paint now. My pillow paint is a Sherwin-Williams semi-gloss ultra white, and it's called, I think, Showcase, I think is the name of the actual paint. And I'm going to be putting a little bit more paint on this for the white because it is a gallery wrapped. So that was 3. Here comes 4. Okay. I just want to make sure I get all my paint over the sides, because the cool thing about a gallery wrap is that I love it when the sides look like an extension of the top. I just think that is amazing when that happens. So we are going to do that. I think I'm going to put one more just for good measure, or at least half of one actually. Okay, so let's pop some of these bubbles that I've got here. Yeah, it's pretty thick, so this will be good. Yeah, it's like really thick. Okay, so hopefully it'll dry good too, because the thicker the paint, the chances of it actually cracking. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of that white off. Okay, there we go. Now it's like super smooth. And it's gone down the sides of these 2 sides. I see it over here. What about this one here? Yep, that one's good too. All right, so 2 puddles. We're gonna go here and spread it this way, and we're gonna come here and spread it that way. 2 puddles. That's all we're gonna do. One for the ocean scene. One for the sky scene. I gotta be careful on my gold. I don't have a lot of it left, although I can quick make some if I needed to. So now let's turn this over this side, and let's start with the purple. Okay, last but not least, the cell activator. I'm almost out of that too. Let's start with the sun. Sunrise, sunset. All right, let's see what these two do. I may do a little bit of swirling, but I don't know. It's pretty cool looking right now. So almost kind of looks like fire and ice, but that wasn't my intent. Get the air bubbles out. And I want all of that to come back into the center. So I'm going to leave this for quite a while before I spin it. This one looks about the best. I went through, I think, the pink one and the purple one a little bit more than I did the other one. So I don't know. We'll just wait and watch it just kind of come back together. Okay, are we ready? I think we are. Let's go ahead and spin it. Okay. There's no color underneath this. That's all the white. The pillow that's underneath that. So hold on, I'm going to do one more time. Hopefully I can get a little gold out of this. Looks like I can. Okay, so I'll let that kind of come back into the center a little bit too. And we'll do that again. So I wanted to quick show you because I ran out of battery on my other one, but I put my stick down and I just turned this and created that little spiral in the center, and I really like that. So just wanted to show you how I did that. All right, bye for now.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.